Number 1. Toolcard Pro, your pocket-sized survival kit. The Toolcard Pro is a revolutionary multi-tool that packs 40 tools into a credit card-sized package. It's the perfect everyday carry (EDC) tool for anyone who needs a reliable and versatile toolset on the go. Key features: 40 tools in one, includes essential tools like screwdrivers, wrenches, a knife, a bottle opener, and more. Compact and portable, easily fits in your wallet or pocket. Durable construction, made from high-quality stainless steel for long-lasting durability. Number 2. Razor Rinser. The Razor Rinser is a portable, battery-powered razor cleaning device designed to keep your razor blades clean and sharp. It uses ultrasonic technology to remove residue and debris from the blades, extending their lifespan and ensuring a smooth shave. Key features: ultrasonic cleaning, effectively removes dirt and debris from razor blades. Portable design, easy to carry and use anywhere. Battery powered, no need for an outlet. Quick cleaning, cleans blades in minutes. Number 3. TempSpike. TempSpike is a wireless meat thermometer designed for grilling, smoking, and barbecuing. It features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to monitor cooking temperatures from a distance. With TempSpike, you can ensure your meat is cooked to perfection without having to constantly check the grill. Key features: wireless connectivity, monitor cooking temperatures from up to 500 feet away. Dual probes, track both internal and external temperatures. Real-time updates, receive instant notifications on your smartphone. Customizable alerts, set specific temperature thresholds for different types of meat. Number 4. Huski Beer Cooler 2.0. The Huski Beer Cooler 2.0 is an innovative beverage cooler that keeps your drinks ice cold for hours. It is designed to fit most standard beer cans and bottles, making it a versatile option for outdoor activities and parties. Key features: triple insulated stainless steel construction, keeps drinks colder for longer. Push-fit Flexilock vented lid, allows for easy access and prevents spills. Number 5. Wowstick. The Wowstick is a line of precision screwdriver sets designed for electronics repair and other delicate tasks. They are known for their compact size, high-quality materials, and versatility. Key features: compact and portable, easily fits in your pocket or toolbox. Precision bits, a wide variety of interchangeable bits for different screws. Number 6. Scent Blender. The Scent Blender is a revolutionary device that allows you to create your own custom fragrances. It combines a vast library of essential oils with advanced technology to enable precise blending and formulation. Key features: extensive fragrance library, choose from a wide range of essential oils. Precise blending, create custom blends with accuracy and consistency. User-friendly interface, easy to operate and navigate. Digital storage, save and recall your favorite blends. Number 7. AstroAI PSI Air Compressor. The AstroAI PSI Air Compressor is a versatile and portable tool designed for a variety of applications. It's perfect for inflating tires, powering pneumatic tools, or simply providing a steady stream of compressed air. Key features. Portable design, easy to carry and use anywhere. Powerful motor, delivers ample air pressure for various tasks. Digital pressure gauge, accurate readings for precise inflation. Multiple nozzles, accommodates different tire valves and pneumatic tools. Auto shut-off feature, prevents overinflation. Number 8. Deeper Fish Finder Start. The Deeper Fish Finder Start is a compact and portable sonar device designed for anglers of all levels. It's a great tool for exploring underwater terrain, locating fish schools, and improving your fishing success. Key features. Portable and wireless, easily attaches to your fishing line and connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Real-time sonar data, provides clear and accurate information about underwater structures and fish activity. Depth measurement, measures water depth up to 80 feet. Fish detection, identifies fish based on their size and location. Number 9. ModernTie is a brand known for its stylish and high-quality neckties. They offer a wide range of designs, patterns, and fabrics to suit different styles and occasions. Key features of ModernTie neckties. High-quality materials, made with durable and luxurious fabrics. Stylish designs, a variety of patterns, colors, and textures. Attention to detail, handcrafted with precision and care. Number 10. Titanier T-Roller. The Titanier T-Roller is a precision curve measure ring designed for professional and DIY use. Crafted from high-quality titanium, this tool offers exceptional durability and accuracy. Key features. Precision measurement, accurate readings for various curved surfaces. Durable titanium construction, built to last for long-term use. Compact and portable, easily fits in your pocket or toolbox. Number 11. Caldwell Matrix Shooting Rest. The Caldwell Matrix Shooting Rest is a versatile and adjustable shooting rest designed to enhance accuracy and stability for various firearms. It offers a wide range of customization options to cater to different shooting preferences and firearm types. Key features. Adjustable design, easily customize the height, angle, and position of the rest to suit your needs. Versatile compatibility, accommodates a variety of firearms, including rifles, pistols, and shotguns. Durable construction, built to withstand the rigors of shooting and outdoor use. Number 12. Caldwell Flash Bang. The Caldwell Flash Bang is a specialized shooting accessory designed to reduce muzzle flash and recoil. It's a popular choice among shooters who seek to improve their accuracy and reduce the impact of the firearm on their shoulder. Key features: reduces muzzle flash, minimizes the visible light produced when a firearm is fired. Reduces recoil, absorbs some of the recoil energy, making shooting more comfortable. Number 13. GRILLKILT is a popular brand known for its innovative and high-quality grilling accessories. Their signature product is the GRILLKILT Original, a versatile apron designed to protect your clothes and make grilling more enjoyable. Key features of the GRILLKILT Original: full coverage, protects your front, sides, and legs from spills and splatters. Adjustable straps, ensures a comfortable and secure fit. Number 14. ZERA M. The ZERA M is a compact and powerful electric shaver designed for a close and comfortable shave. It features a high-speed motor, sharp blades, and a waterproof design for easy cleaning. Key features: compact size, easily fits in your pocket or travel bag. Powerful motor, provides a strong and efficient shave. Sharp blades, delivers a close and precise shave. Number 15. Gerber HemoPlier. The Gerber HemoPlier is a multi-tool designed for outdoor activities and emergency preparedness. It combines a variety of tools into a single, compact unit, making it a versatile and essential tool for survival situations. Number 16. BoxLegend. BoxLegend is a brand known for its innovative and practical home organization products. They specialize in creating solutions to simplify everyday tasks and help people declutter their living spaces. One of their most popular products is the BoxLegend Shirt Folding Board. This ingenious tool makes folding shirts a breeze, ensuring consistent and neat results every time. It's designed to be easy to use and can accommodate different sizes and styles of shirts. Number 17. Seatswing, the hands-free toilet seat lifter. The Seatswing is a revolutionary device designed to make using the bathroom more convenient and hygienic. With the Seatswing, you can effortlessly lift and lower the toilet seat without ever touching it with your hands. Number 18. MAGMUG. The MAGMUG Magnetic Gym Caddy is a versatile and convenient storage solution for gym equipment and accessories. Its magnetic design allows it to easily attach to any metal surface, keeping your gym essentials organized and within reach. Key features: magnetic design, attaches securely to metal surfaces. Multiple compartments, provides storage for various gym items.